Hey guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar, and we are on phase 2. ColorShift Pearls into Shadow Black, phase 2. Now if you remember, phase 1 was identifying which type of ColorShift Pearl is best for the project. Colored powder or white-based powder. And if you look at the comments in that video, landslide, everybody wanted the white powder. So today, in phase 2, we identified 6 different white-based ColorShift pearls. We're going to be mixing them all directly into Shadow Black, and we're going to try to identify the best one to move on to phase 3, which is a full-scale car. This one's going to be fun. Enjoy the video. So here's what we're going to do today. We have 6 large speed shapes. They've already got black bases down on them. They're ready for the color. And here's the pearls we're working with. We've got GC47, GD10, all the alien pearls today, GT22, RL71, then we brought in Nordic ColorShift and Cobra ColorShift. These are all different white-based powders, all ColorShifts, and they're all going to go into Shadow Black, 25 grams per gallon, exactly the way we did in phase 1. Let's start mixing up. I'm excited. All right, guys, all 6 of our color samples are fully sprayed and dry. They are ready for us to review. Now remember, we're trying to pick our one favorite sample out of all 6. So I think the best way to do this is pull a little bit of a musical montage together, give you some time to look at each individual sample under the shop lights, then we'll take them outside for some natural lighting as well. Take a look at each one, look at the colors, look at how they move around, look at the hues and the tones, and try to find the one that you like the best. Let's take a look. So phase 2 all comes down to this. I need your vote. Take 1 second, click up here. It'll bring you to the poll. And in that poll, you'll find all 6 colors that we show you today. If you need to look at them again, scroll back a little bit in the video, take your time, check each color, find your favorite, and please vote for it. Because phase 3, you know what phase 3 is. Phase 3, we're going to take whatever wins the poll, and we're going full scale on it, and I cannot wait to wrap this up. So, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in. We love to talk to you about your projects. Vote for me. Let me know what you like. The one I like, I'm going to hold it in. I don't want to influence anything, but I do have a favorite, and I kind of hope it wins. It's Fonzie. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.